Newspaper windows on the corner of the street, all ghosts and memories of the place we left and cried in the days we loved the light and tried to make our way. I should have told you